Hi guys, at Willaston, crossing Cheshire, my homes and Derek Combs. Right, the time now is...
The time now is 09:10.
On the
Saturday the 9th of September
2023, we are down for our
Western.
Western Railway service from
Central.
Central to
Carlisle.
Carlisle. Make sure you do a tone, Dad.
Okay.
Dad, I would stand back in case it goes up.
I'll just have a look here, please.
Dad, I would stand back. Because there is like something, maybe it looks like a train stopped, and those barriers can go up if it's a malfunction. That's why I'm telling you to stay back.
Yeah.
I told you this loads of times.
Yeah.
Just stay back from the barrier
Yeah.
in case it's a malfunction. I'll shout you when it's here. Here it is. Dad, do tone. Dad.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant.
Yes, and another one. $47, $822, and 47. What was that other 47?
802 and 812.
812. 47, 822, and 47, 812 to Carlisle, and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you next video.